Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I will be guiding you through how to add apps to hidden folder on iOS 18. To hide an app on iOS 18, first of all, go ahead and press and hold the app you want to hide. Go through your app drawer and press and hold your application that you want to hide. Now in the pop-up menu, click on Require Face ID. In the pop-up, click on Hide and Require Face ID. And right after you do that, you will see a pop-up message where it says the application will no longer be visible on your iPhone except in a few places such as settings. You will require a Face ID or your passcode to reveal the app or to open up and use Siri with the app. Now click on Hide App if you're sure you'd like to do so. And as you can see that the app will now be moved to a hidden folder in your app library. To access the hidden app, swipe left until you reach the app library section, and at the bottom you will be able to see the hidden folder. Tap on it in order to view and open up your hidden apps. And that's how you reveal your hidden app on your iOS 18 update. So that is how you can hide apps on iOS 18 in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.